Hello foodies! Welcome to Shweta's Lifestyle. Today's special recipe is Gongura mutton curry. Confused? Mutton curry with sorrel leaves. A famous and unique Andhra style recipe. And also mouth-watering dish for non-veg lovers. Let's see how to prepare this. Ingredients: 500 grams of fresh mutton, sorrel leaves. Actually, the sorrel leaves will be sour in taste. Adding more can make your curry more sour. If you do not like the taste, just add little amount. Onions, chilies, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, coriander leaves, coriander seeds, dry coconut pieces, and cumin seeds. Here I am gonna grind 1 tablespoon of cumins, 1 tablespoon of dry coconut pieces, coriander seeds, and make a fine powder. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped onions and gonna make a fine paste. We're gonna take a pressure cooker now and cook the meat first. Heat 5 tablespoons of oil and add the whole spices. Here I have cinnamons, cloves and cardamoms. Put it in the oil and add a cup of finely chopped onions, chopped green chilies, few curry leaves and saute it well. Now add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by a teaspoon of salt. Saute it well on the medium flame and add the grinded masala into this. Stir it and wait until the raw smell goes. After that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of chili powder, let it be for 5 minutes on the medium flame. Here I am taking 500 grams of fresh mutton which has been soaked in salt water for about 15 minutes. Stir it continuously until the mutton pieces takes all the spices. We can see everything is combined very well. Now I am adding about 1 cup of water in the mutton for cooking. Make sure to check the salt and spices at this stage. Pressure cook it for about 3 to 4 whistles. By that time we will see how to prepare this gongura. Here I am taking a kadai and gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil first. After it gets heated, add chopped garlic flakes, green chilies and saute them well. Now add about 1 bunch of freshly cleaned sorrel leaves. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. Here I am not gonna add any water, let it cook by itself. Once it cooks, the quantity will reduce. You can see that here. Keep on stirring it until it cooks. It has turned out nicely. It's almost cooked now. Take it into a bowl and allow it to sit for some time. Now it's the time to grind. Take all the mixture to the mixer grinder. Mix it to a nice fine paste. Let's see the mutton now. Perfectly cooked. Check the mutton is cooked or not. Then add the grinded gongura paste into this. Mix it well until it combines together. Let this mutton cook on the medium flame and wait until it turns to thick gravy. Check the salt and spices and then add coriander leaves. Yummy and delicious gongura mutton is ready to serve. You can enjoy this with steamed rice or any other main course. Hope you all like the recipe. Thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe to Shweta's Lifestyle for more interesting recipes.